Hey there! Are you tired of spending countless hours trying to learn a new skill or subject? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to share with you the secrets to learning the fast way. Identify your learning style. The first step in learning the fast way is to identify your learning style. Are you a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner? Once you know your learning style, you can tailor your study methods to maximize your learning potential. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is key to learning fast. By breaking down your learning into achievable goals, you can stay motivated and focused on your progress. Utilize effective learning techniques. There are many effective learning techniques that you can use to speed up your learning process. Some of these techniques include active recall, spaced repetition, and chunking. Find a mentor. Finding a mentor who is knowledgeable and experienced in the subject you want to learn can be a game changer. A mentor can provide guidance, answer questions, and offer valuable insights that can help you learn faster. Practice, practice, practice. Practice is essential to learning fast. The more you practice, the more you reinforce what you have learned, and the easier it becomes to retain new information. Embrace mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process, and they can provide valuable feedback on what you need to improve. Embrace mistakes as an opportunity to learn and grow. Stay focused. Distractions can slow down your learning process. To learn fast, it's essential to stay focused and avoid distractions. Turn off your phone, close unnecessary tabs, and create a quiet study environment. Take breaks. Taking breaks can actually help you learn faster. Studies have shown that taking short breaks between study sessions can improve memory retention and increase productivity. So, take a break, relax, and recharge your brain. Use technology. Technology can be a powerful tool to aid in your learning journey. There are many apps, websites, and tools that can help you learn faster and more effectively. Find the ones that work best for you and incorporate them into your study routine. Keep learning fun. Learning doesn't have to be boring. In fact, when you enjoy what you're learning, you're more likely to retain the information. So, find ways to make learning fun and engaging. Incorporate games, quizzes, and other interactive activities into your study routine. Conclusion: learning fast is possible if you have the right mindset, tools, and techniques. Remember to identify your learning style. Set realistic goals. Utilize effective learning techniques. Find a mentor. Practice. Embrace mistakes. Stay focused. Take breaks. Use technology. And keep learning fun. With these tips, you can accelerate your learning and achieve your goals in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy learning. Please like, comment and share.